Good morning everybody and welcome to the annual Denmark road trip. I've reached my first stop. It is 7 in the morning. I got up at 4:30 this morning to reach this point, which is about an hour from where I started off at home with my parents. And we are in Aarhus, which is the second largest city in Denmark. We're right outside the city at the Infinity Bridge, which is a bridge that they put up every summer here. It's just a round bridge that is near the beach. It's super beautiful. I got here right at sunrise. I flew around the drone for a little bit and now I am just hanging out on the bridge. Okay guys, so I've decided to come back into the car to eat my breakfast sandwich because my hands are freezing. It's so cold outside. So I decided to warm up in the car, eat my food and then get on the road, but I just couldn't stay there any longer. I have to get warm. But I will also say it was absolutely 1000% worth it to get up at 4 in the morning to come here for sunrise. I don't know why people don't do this more often. It was absolutely beautiful, totally quiet and peaceful, and I love it. But I will probably also take a nap in the car later or have a big coffee. I need to get some coffee. Hello everyone and welcome back. I have just parked on the side of the highway. I mean, obviously not on the side of the highway, but one of those stops where you can pull off. And I'm gonna eat my sandwich finally. I didn't eat it before because my hands were just too frozen. After about 45 minutes up north, I still have about 2 hours to go. So I thought it would be the perfect time to take a break. It's now 8:15 in the morning. And I'm gonna eat my sandwich, enjoy the sunshine and warm up. Hold on guys, I'm gonna throw away my trash and I'll be right back. Alright, that was really good. Yeah, I have to put the seat all the way in the front because I'm so short. Let's get on the road. Now the question is, should I listen to music and what should I listen to? Or should I listen to a podcast? I've listened to music so far all the way. It was amazing. I sang along, of course. I know what I'm feeling. Hello and welcome back guys. We have made it to the next stop, which is the sand-covered church. Hopefully you will enjoy the little clips that I'm filming. It's such a peaceful and absolutely beautiful place. I came here last year as well, but I just love it so much. So I'm gonna take a little walk around. I'm gonna show you guys around and we're just gonna enjoy the beautiful weather. Last year it was so windy, I could barely explore anything, and I got sand in my eyes, in my ears and in my hair and everywhere. But today it is the perfect day, so I'm so happy and I'm gonna spend the whole day just walking around.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
Okay guys, I just want to point out once again how absolutely incredible it is here. There's absolutely no one around. I also was just almost hunted down by an angry dog. If there's one thing I'm scared of in this world, it's aggressive dogs. Luckily the man got him under control, or I guess could call him back before he got to me, but he was charging me like he wanted to kill me. It's fucking scary. So now I'm hiding up here in the hills, hoping this dog doesn't find me. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to walk around. I'm gonna go down to the water. I think the water's that way. At least I'm gonna try to go as far as I can and see if there's...
There is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I've been sitting at these rocks for like 20 minutes. I could seriously sit here for 100 hours, and that's not even a joke. I could stay here forever. This is my favorite thing in the whole world, so I'm so happy, grateful to be here. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit, then I'm gonna probably head back to the church and see that, and we'll get on the road again.
Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Okay, you guys, so I finished up at the sand-covered church. I finally found my way back. It's right there in the background. So cool. It's completely covered in sand, aside from the tower, obviously. So yeah, I've been here around 3 hours, which is a lot. Now I'm heading on.
Your box, beauty queens without no flaws.